Every local manufacturing shop needs some type of engineering, which means some type of CAD work done. I got my job before I even finished my associate's degree, and I was still getting paid close to a full-time salary. There's not a lot of people that know about the CAD specific side of things. It's in high demand because there's not a lot of people out here just doing CAD, just focusing on CAD. So all the big projects that involve heavy design work and heavy developmental design work as well comes my way. COD, this place was where it all began for me as far as my CAD career started. It was really nice because I was able to pay off school as I went. Once I got my degree, I was offered a full-time position, which came with a raise, and that raise has been very nice.